Welcome back to our channel. Today we will cover the rights of data principal and the duties of data fiduciaries.
Let's begin with the rights of data principal. Right to access. The right to access information is foundational. Principals can request a summary of the data processed, the specific processing activities, and the identities of all third-party data processes.
Right to correction. The right to correction allows the principal to demand the fiduciary immediately correct, update, or complete any inaccurate, incomplete, or misleading personal data.
Right to erasure. The right to erasure mandates data deletion upon request, provided the purpose for which it was collected is no longer being served and no specific statutory retention rule applies.
Right to nominate. The right to nominate allows principals to designate another individual to exercise all their data rights, access, correction, and erasure, in case of their death or incapacitation.
Right to grievance redressal. The right to grievance redressal requires clear, accessible channels. Critically, fiduciaries must fully acknowledge and resolve any principal request within a maximum of 90 days.
Now let's get to know the duties of the data fiduciary. The first duty is lawful processing. All data handling must align with the specific purpose approved by the principal's consent or a legitimate use defined explicitly by the Act.
The second duty is purpose limitation. Data can only be used for the exact, specific purpose consented to, and all retention must cease once that specific purpose is fully discharged.
The third duty is accuracy and security. Fiduciaries must ensure the data is accurate and implement reasonable security safeguards, like encryption and access controls, to prevent data breaches.
Fourth is the duty of rights compliance. Fiduciaries must set up simple, user-friendly systems that make it easy for people to access and use their data rights without any hassle.
The final, mandatory duty is breach reporting. The fiduciary is obligated to report the breach to the Data Protection Board and promptly inform all affected data principals, detailing mitigation steps.
The rights of data principal and the duties of data fiduciaries form the core accountability of the DPDP Act.
Connect with us and let our platform be your guide for effortless data privacy management.
Like, share, and subscribe for more essential DPDP breakdowns.